Hello and welcome to the English Learning Podcast. This is your time for calm English listening practice. Today, we have a special lesson for you. This is an English podcast for beginners, and we will talk about a very common situation, going to the gym. Maybe you want to get healthy. Maybe you want to be strong. But maybe you also feel shy at the gym. You see a big machine. You want to use it. But you do not know how. You want to ask, how do I use this machine, but you do not know the English words. Do you feel nervous to talk to a trainer or to a person next to you? In this episode, I will help you. You will listen to slow English from a native English speaker voice. You will learn real American English that people really use in the gym. We will practice daily English conversation step by step. You will learn easy English phrases that you can use again and again. First, I will teach you simple phrases. Then, you will listen and repeat many times. Next, we will have a story at the gym, so you can hear the phrases in a real situation. This way, you can relax, listen, repeat, and feel more confident. So, take a deep breath. Get comfortable. And let's start our English listening practice together. Let's start with some important words and phrases you can hear at the gym. Listen first. Then, I will explain. Gym. Trainer. Machine. Treadmill. Elliptical. Weights. Set. Reps. Warm up. Cool down. Now, I will speak more slowly. Gym is the place where you go to exercise. A trainer is a person who works at the gym and helps you exercise. A machine is the big metal thing you use to work your muscles, like a treadmill. A treadmill is a machine where you walk or run in one place. Weights are heavy things you lift with your arms to get strong. A set is a group of exercises you do without a long break. For example, 10 push-ups is one set. Reps means repetitions, or how many times you do the exercise inside a set. For example, 10 reps means you do the movement 10 times. Warm-up means light exercise before you start hard exercise, so your body is ready. Cool down means light exercise and stretching after you finish. These are real American English words you will hear in any gym in the USA. Now, let's learn some daily English conversation phrases for asking how to use machines. Imagine you are standing in front of a machine. You can say, "Excuse me, how do I use this machine?" This is easy English and very polite. Another phrase. Can you show me how to use this? You can say this to a trainer or to a person near you. You can also say, "I'm new here. Can you help me with this machine?" This is great if it is your first time at the gym. If you want to be very polite, you can say, "Sorry to bother you. Could you please show me how this works?" Bother means to disturb someone, but this phrase is polite and soft. If you want help from a trainer, you can say, "Hi, are you a trainer? Can you help me with my workout?" Workout means your exercise session. Now, questions about safety are very important. You can ask, "Is this weight okay for a beginner?" You can ask, "Is my form okay?" Form means the way you move your body in the exercise. Good form is important so you do not hurt yourself. You can also ask, "How many sets and reps should I do?" Or, "How long should I stay on this machine?" These are very useful daily English conversation phrases for the gym. Now, let's do interactive practice. Listen. Then repeat after me. Excuse me, how do I use this machine? Again. Excuse me, how do I use this machine? Next phrase. Can you show me how to use this? Again. Can you show me how to use this? Now let's listen to a short story. It is Monday evening. You are tired after work, but you want to be healthy. You decide to go to a new gym near your home. You feel a little shy, but you also feel excited. You open the door and walk into the gym. You hear music. You see many machines. You see treadmills, bikes, and weights. Some people are running. Some people are lifting weights. You feel a little nervous. But you remember this English podcast lesson. You remember the easy English phrases from this lesson. You walk to a treadmill and say, "Excuse me, how do I use this machine?" The person smiles and helps you. You feel happy. You continue your workout and become more confident. After your workout, you leave the gym feeling proud. Because today you practiced your English in a real situation. Now we are at the end of this episode. You did a great job today. Try listening again and repeat the phrases. Thank you for learning with me today. And I will see you in the next episode of the English Learning Podcast.